You've got some cash sitting around, not doing much, right? You're thinking, man, I wish I could earn a little something on this without locking it up for ages. Sound familiar? You've probably heard about money market accounts, but the big question is, how much do you actually need to get started? Especially at a place like Biobank, where everyone's talking about those competitive rates. See, we're bombarded with financial advice all the time. Invest here, save there, and diversify everywhere. But what if you just want something simple, something liquid, and something that gives you a bit more than your regular savings? That's where money market accounts come in, and Biobank, with its online-only approach, often pops up in these conversations. Now, before we dive into the exact numbers, let's just quickly recap what a money market account actually is. It's not a stock market account, and it's not a CD. Think of it as a hybrid. It's a type of savings account that usually offers higher interest rates than a standard savings account, and sometimes you get check writing privileges or a debit card. This makes it a bit more flexible. But here's the catch. Many banks require a minimum deposit to open these accounts. And those minimums can vary wildly. Some banks want a few $100s, others a few thousand. So, you're sitting there wondering, okay, Biobank, what's your number? We're getting there, but let's talk about why these minimums exist in the first place. Banks use these deposits to manage their liquidity and to ensure that it's worth their while to offer these higher interest rates. It's a business decision, plain and simple. They want to attract serious savers. And Biobank, being an online bank, operates a bit differently. They don't have the overhead of brick-and-mortar branches, which often translates to better rates for you. But does that mean lower minimums? Or higher? Well, the truth is, Biobank, like many online banks, aims to be accessible. They want you to be able to start growing your savings without needing a massive lump sum. So, when it comes to their money market account, they typically maintain a reasonable minimum. Now, here's the crucial bit. To get the most accurate, up-to-the-minute information, you'll always want to check Biobank's official website. Banking policies can change, rates fluctuate, and promotional offers come and go. But as of right now, and generally speaking, Biobank aims to keep their minimum deposit requirements relatively low compared to traditional banks. You'll find that their requirement is often set at a point that allows most people to start. This is a deliberate strategy to attract savers who are looking for good returns without needing to tie up a lot of capital. It's about accessibility and competitive rates. What this means for you, the average person looking to put their savings to work, is that you don't need a massive fortune to get started with a Biobank money market account. You can typically start with a much smaller amount than you might expect from a traditional brick-and-mortar institution. And that's important, because building savings is a journey, not a sprint. It's about consistently adding to your balance, and having a bank that doesn't put up massive barriers to entry is a huge plus. Biobank's focus on online efficiency and competitive rates means that your money can start working for you sooner rather than later. So, while the exact number can vary, and you should always double-check the website for the current figures, Biobank generally makes it easier to get started with their money market accounts. They understand that every dollar counts, and they want to help you grow your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.